Eya pa siguro umibay, ing kanakong katulid. At datangyan mo rin, ing katapat ko. Meninaya kong mapila na banmo. At dinatangyan ko isindi, ing biyan ng Mark. Aburyante at alumuran, ing metong at metong. Dakal ng Mark at Cindy, dapat magpasalamat kayo kay advancement ng technology. Dapat magpasalamat kayo kay Yahoo Messenger. Lawen yun eh. Lawen yun na akong parala na ning hapong gino. Pati yung modern technology ginamit na, ba't na kayo at pitagno. Lawen yun kabyas na ning hapong gino. Gawin niya makanano yung dumiskarte at mamaralan ng Diyos. Ginawa yung paralan. But ni Mark at ni Cindy, kilala lang.
Mikey,
At king pakikilala doon,
mag-offer ka eh.
may umpisa at tinubo ing
Mag-offer din.
pakikilala doon.
Mag-offer.
Di na tangkuking biyeda, ingeda asahan, milyari, ingeda balang-balakan. Alaking plano na siguro ing makyasawa lang mo. Pero Mark, may ka last trip ka po. At kay ba't may ka jackpot ka po. Cindy, di ka naman. May ka bonus ka po. Iya mo masanting, hindi tulid kayo. Magana kaya po at may ataw. My dear brothers and sisters, when something unexpected happens in our lives, and when what we do not deserve just comes to us, we Catholics, we Christians, have a name for that. We call that experience as grace experience. We receive what we do not truly deserve. We enjoy what we did not work for. What we call that grace. Others call it a blessing, a gift, indeed a surprise gift. Mark and Cindy, in your life of aloneness and loneliness, and being single, God gave you a precious gift. The precious gift of a permanent friend. The precious gift of a lifetime companion. And the precious